Hey everyone, this is Carrie on Accessibility, and in a recent video I shared an interview discussing how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I also mentioned in that video that I do have a little collection of Rubik's Cubes, speed cubes, puzzle cubes, whatever you want to call them. Even though I'm blind, low vision, I really enjoy solving them, or trying to. And I'm really excited about this package from Textured Cube, which is supposed to have an accessible textured cube so that somebody who is blind or low vision can just feel it. So let's go ahead, get into this box and see what's in here. Here we go. Ooh, there's some tissue paper. Okay, so here is the cube, bubble wrapped. What else is in here? Oh, hello. There are 3 cubes. I did not know there would be 3 cubes. Oh, there's 4 cubes. Whoa. Wow. Okay. Is there anything else in here? When I found out about Textured Cube, I got really excited and I purchased one, but I was actually sent 5 of them. That was super awesome of them, and they were just going to send me, I think, 1 or 2 extras, and I can't believe they sent me 4 extra cubes. Alright, first one. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, this is a 2x2. Okay, one is a velvety texture. One is a Velcro, the softer side. One feels like Velcro, the rougher side. One feels like beads here. This is the green side. And bubbles. Okay, big bubbles. Nice. I love it. This is cool. Alright, let's look at the next one. This feels like a 3x3 version of the other one. I like that it's consistent. That's good. So if I go from one cube to the other, green is always the beaded one. Orange is just smooth. Yellow's the bumpy. Red is, except for the red. On the 3x3, the red is kind of a velvety texture. And on the 2x2, the red is kind of a, what do you even call this? Like a silicone texture. Okay, that's interesting that it's different. How quickly can I feel that? Alright, let's scramble up this cube. Let's just try this. Alright, so I have the focus on the start button. I'm just going to put this down, and wow, this is going to be hard. I'm just going to close my eyes here, and let's see how this goes. This is going to take forever. Let's fast forward through this section at about 50x speed.
3 minutes 44 seconds and 94 milliseconds.
3 minutes and 44 seconds. So let's look at the next one. Oh, mirror cube here. I am not the best with mirror cubes, so I don't think that I will shuffle this right now. It has pink beads and it's on a blue cube. Interesting. Let's go and look at the last one. Ooh, this has to be my favorite one. 3 sides are pink and 3 sides are green. I love this. This is awesome. There's a green side that's just smooth, a green side with bubbles, and a green side that's just the Velcro rough side. The pink side has beads, the velvety thing, and then the soft Velcro. The creator made this specifically because of the whole pink and green thing on the channel and the color war, so that's awesome. Now that is pretty cool. I just put the checkered pattern, and that looks so cool. I love this. This is absolutely amazing. I really appreciate Textured Cube for sending this out to me. Let's do a final solve. So here we go.
Start button.
Start.
Stop. Double tap to activate.
I'm going to fast forward again at 60x speed this time.
8 minutes 31 seconds and 32 milliseconds.
That took me 8
minutes 31 seconds and 32
minutes and 31 seconds. Way too long. Apparently I really do need some practice here. Okay, apparently I missed a cube. Here we go. Got one more. Now open this up. Ooh. What? Wait. There's 2 cubes. Oh, wait a second. Wait, what? Okay, so this is... Ooh, it feels good. Ooh, turning this feels amazing. Let me see the other one. This is a 3x3x3. Okay, so this, there's a difference here. The red side is the difference here. One is a velvety texture and one is a silicone texture. That, I don't know which one I like better. I'll have to do a bunch more solves, but you know what I like about this velvety texture is that it's consistent with the 2x2. So I really like, I kind of think that I like this one, but I'm not sure yet. I think just from feeling it, there's enough difference between the Velcro soft side, which is blue, and the velvety side, which has a little divot. Is that the right word? A little divot in the middle, as opposed to the one with the textured silicone. But I'm gonna try both of them a little more and see how it could be preference. I don't know. This is pretty neat. These textured cubes are such higher quality than the $10 Amazon tactile cubes, just by the quality of how it turns. It's beautiful. Okay, so this is the first ever cube, the tactile cube I ever got. Still not the fastest with it, but this time I'm just going to use both my vision and these tactile markings just to see if I can get a little bit of a faster speed so that I can feel just a little bit better. Let's go. Fast forwarding through this again. And done.
1 minute 43 seconds and 43 seconds.
1 minute and 43 seconds. Okay, that makes me feel so much better. That was very much fun. If you want to try out these textured cubes, whether you want them in kind of all colors, if you want them in just one color but the different textures, definitely check out Textured Cube. Yeah, that's it for now. I'm gonna go practice my cubing now, and hopefully I can get faster. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up below. Subscribe to the channel for more accessibility related content. And if you want to help support the channel and what I do, consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thanks so much, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.